In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to set up and adjust payroll settings in Xero. We'll walk through the key areas you need to configure so your pay runs, pay slips, and reports are accurate and professional. Start on your Xero dashboard and go to Payroll. This opens the payroll workspace where all employee and pay run tasks live. From here, head into payroll settings. Think of this page as your control center for how payroll behaves across your organization. Open the Organization tab. This is where you review company-level details that flow through to pay slips and payroll reports. Take a moment to confirm everything reflects how you actually run payroll. Clear, consistent information. Here reduces questions from employees later. Next, select the bank account you'll use for payroll payments. Choose the business bank account you reconcile regularly so payment batches and bank feeds line up cleanly. If you use separate accounts for wages and taxes, pick the one that matches your payout process. Keeping payroll payments in a dedicated account can make reconciliation and audits much easier. Move down to payroll tracking. Here, you can map earnings, deductions, and employer costs to the appropriate ledger accounts, and if you track departments or cost centers, to tracking categories. Aligning these settings with your chart of accounts helps your profit and loss and job costing reports stay accurate without manual adjustments. Open employee groups to organize staff into logical clusters, such as locations or teams. Groups make it easier to filter reports, manage permissions, and communicate changes consistently. Set them up in a way that mirrors how you manage people day to day. Open timesheet categories to define the types of time employees can record, like ordinary hours or overtime. Clear categories, reduce coding errors, and ensure the right earnings rates apply automatically when timesheets feed into a pay run. Enable Show Annual Salary. If you want annualized pay to appear in relevant views and documents, this helps managers and employees quickly confirm the expected annual figure when reviewing roles and offers. Enable Show Employment Basis to display whether someone is full-time, part-time, or casual. Including this context on payslips and reports prevents misunderstandings about entitlements and hours. Upload logo to brand your payslips and payroll documents. Use a clean, high-resolution image with a modest file size so documents look sharp and load quickly. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so the next pay run reflects your new settings. After saving, it's a good idea to review a recent payslip or preview a draft pay run to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. With these settings in place, your Xero payroll will run more smoothly, your reporting will be cleaner, and your employees will get polished. Accurate documents every time.